How to change region on Steam. First things first, you could actually go through this process via the official site of Steam and as well as the Steam client. So from here, make sure that you're currently logged into the account where you would like to change your country or region. Now this is going to be your home or your Steam dashboard. Now what you want to do next is just to hover your mouse into your username and then just simply click on it so that you will be redirected to your profile. Now in here, all you have to do is just to hover your mouse back again to your current username and then go into profile. Now next thing to do is just to simply hit or click on edit profile. And then on the next page, just simply scroll down and then under location, this is where you can change your country or region. Just simply click this drop down and then just simply find your preferred country. So for example, we'll be choosing out, let's say, Hong Kong, and then just simply hit on save. And once you hit on save, it won't do anything from here, but it will automatically save by itself. And that's it. That's how you change country or region on Steam.